Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. When people think about electric vehicles, one of the most common questions is whether they are cheaper to maintain than gasoline cars. The answer is often yes, but the full story is a little more interesting. Electric vehicles and gasoline vehicles are built very differently, and those differences affect how often they need service, what parts wear out, and how much owners may spend over time. Understanding these differences can help drivers make smarter decisions about transportation and future vehicle costs. A gasoline car uses an engine that burns fuel. Inside that engine are many moving parts that must work together under high heat and pressure. Oil circulates through the engine to reduce friction, and that oil needs to be replaced regularly. Filters must be changed, spark plugs wear out, belts may need replacement, and various engine components require periodic inspection. Because there are many mechanical systems working continuously, maintenance becomes an important part of keeping a gasoline vehicle running properly. An electric vehicle works in a different way. Instead of a gasoline engine, it uses electric motors powered by a battery pack. Electric motors have far fewer moving parts than traditional engines. There is no engine oil to change, no spark plugs to replace, and no exhaust system that can rust or fail. This simpler mechanical design is one of the main reasons electric vehicles often have lower routine maintenance costs. One of the biggest savings for electric vehicle owners comes from eliminating oil changes. Gasoline vehicles typically require oil changes several times during their lifetime. Each service may not seem expensive on its own, but the cost adds up year after year. Electric vehicles do not need engine oil changes because they do not have an internal combustion engine. For many drivers, this can save a noticeable amount of money over the long term. Brake maintenance can also be different. Many electric vehicles use a feature called regenerative braking. When the driver slows down, the electric motor helps reduce the vehicle's speed while also sending energy back to the battery. Because the motor assists with braking, the traditional brake pads may wear out more slowly than they do on many gasoline cars. Less brake wear can mean fewer brake replacements over time. Another area where electric vehicles may save money is in the cooling and exhaust systems. Gasoline engines generate a great deal of heat and require complex cooling systems, along with exhaust components that manage emissions. Over many years, parts such as mufflers, catalytic converters, and other exhaust components can become expensive repair items. Electric vehicles do not have a traditional exhaust system, which removes an entire category of potential maintenance expenses. However, electric vehicles are not maintenance-free. They still need tire rotations, tire replacements, suspension inspections, windshield wiper replacements, cabin air filters, and regular safety checks. In fact, some electric vehicles can wear through tires faster because battery packs add weight and electric motors can provide strong acceleration. Tire costs can therefore remain an important part of ownership. The battery is often the biggest concern people have. A large battery pack is one of the most expensive components in an electric vehicle. Modern batteries are designed to last many years, and manufacturers usually provide long warranties for them. In most cases, owners will not need to replace the battery during the early years of ownership. Still, if a battery eventually needs replacement outside of warranty, the cost can be significant. This is one reason why some people continue to compare long-term ownership carefully. For gasoline vehicles, major engine or transmission repairs can also be very expensive. While routine maintenance may occur more frequently, there is also the possibility of larger mechanical repairs as vehicles age. Electric vehicles avoid many engine-related problems simply because they do not have an engine, fuel injectors, spark plugs, or a traditional transmission with many gears. We've looked at the basic maintenance differences between electric and gasoline vehicles, including oil changes, brakes, and routine servicing. Next, we'll take a closer look at battery costs, long-term repairs, and how driving habits can affect overall maintenance expenses. Stay tuned for Part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.